What's up guys, Kristian from Shadow Ops, and here I will be showing you my guns. Starting off with, I have my KWA MP9. Had this for a year. It was in my last player update, and I mean, it's been working well ever since I got it. Done some modifications to it, like I have the Mad Bull Noveski flash or amplifier on it. My bad. I have the DangerWorks outer barrel adapter, and I ghetto taped a flashlight on here temporarily till I get one. So all the internals are stock. I mean, it's still NS2 gas system internals. Still got everything on it. That's pretty much it for this. Now I'll be going to my second gun, which is the Airsoft ASGI Custom Silent Death CQB. Basically, I got this probably almost 2 months ago. Works fine. Only main problem is the motor. I mean, motors are not that great in GI Customs, but I mean, just switch it out for any other one and you'll be set. All that I've done to it is just put some rail ladders and rail covers on it. Soon I'll be getting some like iron sights and I'll get a foregrip for it. But other than that, no big changes on it. It's got just GI Custom internals, G&G body. I have the Gemtech rail system on here. Pretty nice. I mean, full metal. It's all good. And that's basically it for my guns, so we'll be going to the firing test. Alright, we're out at the firing range, and I'll be shooting some with the Silent Death and some with the MP9. Let's do this. Yeah. Freaking high cap. Alright, now I got the MP9 and shoot some on semi, some on full auto, and it's gonna be loud. Full auto. Yeah, that's it.